Filipinos.
Yes! Go, Manny! Let's go, Manny! Woo! Ganyan talaga dito, guys. Sigawan.
Come on, Manny!
Si ano? Yung ano, wrestler, si Batista. Si Batista. Pilipino, Batista. Let's go, Manny! Woo!
Either one of these fighters walks to the ring like they think it's the last mile. No matter how many times they do it, it's like the first mile. Among other things, they're going to each make a minimum of $12 million, which will put a smile on anyone's face.
Minimum. Wala pa HBO. Yan yung kanta niya. Oh, si Moorer, oh.
Michael Moorer was heavyweight champion of the world, and now the apparently anointed inheritor somewhere down the road is training on the regular.
Tamo si Roach Calvo.
Making himself almost somewhere in the
Let's go, Manny!
So much of the build-up for the fight is centered on the two trainers. For his part, Roach was visibly relieved after the weigh-in yesterday, saying, okay, from now on it's about the fight for them.
The trainers have been the subplot, and they've made it even bigger than anybody anticipated.
One big credit hanging over the fight for Pacquiao. How much credit truly does he deserve for his conquest of De La Hoya? Did it prove he could beat a quality bigger man? Or did it prove only that he could batter the shell of what once was De La Hoya? Let's go to Michael Buffer now for the official introduction.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the MGM Grand of Las Vegas, Bob Arum, Top Rank Incorporated, and Oscar De La Hoya's Golden Boy Promotions, in association with MP Promotions and Hatton Promotions, are proud to present the main event of the evening. 12 rounds of boxing for the IBO and Ring Magazine. Light Welterweight Championship of the World. Sponsored by Rockstar. Party like a rock star. Pegase, cerveza con carácter. Southwest Airlines, no waiting fees, and Smart Communications. Sanctioned by the Nevada State Athletic Commission, Chairman Bill Brady, Executive Director Keith Kaiser, IBO President Eddie Levine. At ringside, the three judges scoring this fight, CJ Lynn. And inside the ring, your referee in charge of the action at the bell, Kenny Bayless. And now, secured in the Hall of Fame, only one can become victorious tonight. So from the MGM Grand of Las Vegas, for the thousands in attendance
And the millions watching all over the
around the world, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble! Waiting in the blue corner with his head trainer, Floyd Mayweather Sr., wearing black with white and silver. Official weight, 140 pounds. Professional record, 46 fights.
Sino yung abnormal na yun, ano?
Including 32 knockouts with only one defeat. From Manchester, England, the three-time world champion,
Kamukha ni ano, Humpty Dumpty. Yung Pillsbury Boy. Kamukha ni Pillsbury Boy. The Hitman. Hudson.
Fighting out of the red corner with Mr. Freddie Rose, wearing white with weighing 38 pounds. Professional record,
Nabubusi mo.
38 fights, 48 victories, including 36 knockouts, 3 defeats and 2 draws. From Sarangani Province, Philippines, the 5-time world champion, currently recognized as pound for pound, the best player in the world, Manny
Batman!
Come on! Love you, Batman. Pascal, fast and furious.
Oo, ako rin eh, kinakabahan. May pusta kasi tayo eh. Ngayon na ako kinabahan ng ganito, may pusta eh.
Kinakabahan ako. You want to clean all the time? Consistent at all times? Then what I say you must obey. Good luck.